Take your time.
Take your time.
Never mind. Take your time.
Can you give us a minute? Take your time.
It's okay. Take your time.
No, guys, take your time.
Take your time. Do whatever you need to do.
I understand. Take your time.
Take your time. I'm not going anywhere.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Yeah, take your time. Just a moment, please.
Take your time.
I haven't been single since I was 9. That's why you need to take your time now.
That'll take a few days.
Take your time.
Take your time. Look it over.
Your husband already signed.
Just take your time. I'm not gonna let go until you say it's okay.
I'm sure you'll be splendid. Just take your time.
Okay, can I just think for 1 second?
Take your time.
Okay. It's okay. I'm his teacher.
Oh, okay. Take your time.
Take your time. I can wait till you're finished.
I'm finished.
No, you didn't even get your spicy tuna yet.
I'm fine, really.
I don't want to keep my friend waiting.
Of course. Take your time.
So, what are you waiting for?
I just need a moment, okay?
Oh, of course. Take your time.
Ted? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Everything's okay.
Okay, just take your time. It's all right.